Welcome to the sensational Sense 51. I'm Violet Fong. I would like to share with you our latest arrival in Hong Kong and one of the most exciting models of the Beneteau range. Hello， 大家你哋好，我係 Violet Fong。我今日想同大家分享一下我哋香港最新到埗，而又係 Beneteau 裏邊其中一個最新嘅型號。Cruising like life is not always about the destination, but the journey you take to get there. As a regular competitor in international regattas and someone who loves weekend cruising, this boat for me is the perfect combination for both worlds. Let's take a look around and you will see why Beneteau are the world leaders in cruising yachts. Fancy a swim or a relaxed sunset anchor, the electronic swimming platform provides you a private beach. The inbuilt electronic grill will have you testing your barbecue skill, whilst your friends and family looks on with envy. There's also an option of a rigid bimini. Moving forward, there are two comfortable helm stations equipped with B&G navigation systems, autopilots, and bow thruster for easy maneuver. The electronic winches, furling mainsail and genoa, make sailing easy and enjoyable, especially when short-handed sailing. The spacious cockpit can comfortably seat 10 people. The coffee table can rise and unfold as a dining table. And this can open on one side as a table and the other side as a floating bench for dining. Moving forward, there's a sonic bowsprit which provides a perfect platform for an asymmetric or a furling Coke Zero. Let's take a peek down below where you can relax. The generous, fully equipped galley, fridge and freezer keeps the ingredients fresh and drinks well chilled. In the saloon, there's an electronic up-down dining table, pop-up TV, and a fold-down bench. Thought has gone to the nav station area with plenty of space to lay out all your maps and navigation documents. Featured on this model, a double berth to port and bunk beds to the starboard. The bathroom can be accessed from the double berth cabin as a private bathroom or from the saloon as a day head during sailing. And finally, the master bedroom forward with an island berth design is nice and airy. At Simpson Marine, we want to make life easy for the boat owners from commissioning, warranty, maintenance, and support service in our 10 service centers across Asia, and that is unrivaled in the region. I'm Violet Fong, looking forward to providing you a personal introduction to the Sense 51 at Simpson Marine. 歡迎嚟到香港 Simpson Marine， 我 Violet Fong 會親自向你介紹 Beneteau Sense 51。